Hey everyone, Sophia here. Welcome to We Pakistan's YouTube channel. I'll show you how to create your own job website similar to Indeed in under 10 minutes. First, download the necessary files from the link provided below. Watch the video until the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. Once you've downloaded the files, we'll upload them to the hosting service where your domain is hosted. I'll demonstrate by uploading the files to my domain. Go to your file manager and upload the app.zip folder. After the upload is complete, we need to set up a MySQL database. Head to the database section of your hosting panel and create a new database. Remember to copy the database name, username, and password for later use. Next, we'll extract the uploaded app.zip file. Please wait for the extraction to complete. Once done, move the extracted folders and files to the main public HTML folder. Configure the .env file. Now, open the .env file and add the database credentials you copied earlier. This step is crucial for connecting your website to the database. Set the permissions for the specified folders to ensure everything runs smoothly. Also, make sure your PHP version is set to 8.2 to avoid any errors. Upload the SQL file. Finally, let's upload the SQL file to phpMyAdmin. Go to phpMyAdmin from your hosting dashboard, click on Import, and upload the SQL file. Once the file is uploaded, your website will be installed. Explore your new job website. This is the front end of your new job website. Users can sign up and post jobs, or if you prefer only admin postings, I'll show you how to manage that. Access the admin panel. To access the admin panel, add admin to the end of your domain URL. Here you can change your admin password and manage various settings easily. And that's it. You've successfully created your job website in under 10 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and happy job posting.